Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to install apps on our Chromecast with Google TV. Installing apps on a Chromecast device with Google TV is a very simple process. All you have to do is go to the top bar and look for the applications section. Here, as you can see, we already see different applications in the foreground from where, if the one we want to install is there, we simply have to click on it, for example here in Crunchyroll. And once this submenu opens, simply click on Install. We wait for the bar to load completely. As you can see, it shows it's installing, and once the installation is finished, as you can see, we can open it. If, for example, we want to search for a particular application that we don't see in the main menu, then we can always go to this bar here, where it says Search for Applications and Games. It's in the Applications section, just scroll down until you see it. And here in this bar, by clicking on it, we're going to be able to search for whatever we want, both apps and games. Let's search, for example, for the Twitch app, which, although we do have it in the main menu, well, just in case you want to install it, let's look for it. We put in Twitch and hit the magnifying glass to search. As you can see, the first one, Twitch, appears in Applications. Once we have it here, just like before, we click on it to enter the installation menu and click on Install. Like before, the first thing it does is fill up the download bar. Once downloaded, the installation begins. Once it's done, as you can see, we can open it. In addition to this, once you have them installed, if you go to the For You section and scroll down to where it says Your Applications, on the right, you will have the last two installed. Well guys, that's the end of the video. As always, I hope I've helped. If so, don't forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. That's all from me. As always, a pleasure, and see you in the next video.